war on the Ukrainian people will impact us in a way we could never have envisaged a few weeks ago. This war will cost all of us, but whatever the consequences are for us here in Ireland, it pales into insignificance when compared with the human suffering and pain that the Ukrainian people are experiencing. Today's measures announced by Minister Donoghue in relation to excise duty, together with the previously announced measures on energy and income supports, will help people struggling with the cost of living. But we also have to be honest with people about the government's ability to control the factors that are having such an impact on the cost of living that people are experiencing. None of us can predict precisely what will happen next, and it would be unwise to suggest that we will not experience further adverse economic and indeed cost of living effects in the time ahead. Our economy, as we entered this period, was in good health, with a strong recovery well underway, and we are confident that the Irish economy can withstand these challenges. The international community is united as never before, and in Ireland I know that both the government and Irish people will not be found wanting in our actions in support of the Ukrainian people at this time. Thank you.